Good afternoon to you all and welcome to the Post Barn here at Snelsmore House. Dean and Katie would like to thank you all for coming today to celebrate their new life together as a married couple. It means a great deal to them that you can be here to share in their happiness and to witness their marriage vows.
On behalf of Anita and myself, we welcome you all to celebrate Kate and Dean's big day and to thank every one of you that has made this day possible. Katie, when I saw you for the first time today in your dress, I was taken back. The first time I held you in my arms was the proudest day of my life. And to see you grow from a cheeky little girl to a beautiful woman, it's so rewarding as a parent. So it seems the perfect time in front of all my family and friends to say how proud myself and Mum are of you and what an honour it is as a dad to walk you down the aisle. All those walks we have done together, this has been my favourite.
To all you beautiful ladies and gents, this is a heartfelt thank you to all of you. You've made a big impact on our lives in one way or another, and personally, I feel a lot of you have helped me become the man I am today and helped me shape my life to earn the right to a fantastic life. So thank you for being here, and I really appreciate it.
The last 8 years with you by my side has been the best by far. You make me the best version of myself, and I love you so much for that. We have no way of knowing what this next chapter will look like, but there is one thing I'm sure about. If what's to come is anywhere near as wonderful as the times we've already shared together, then I absolutely cannot wait. So, my love, stand up straight, take a deep breath, and I'll see you in a minute. I love you so much, Dean, and I'm so ready to be your wife.
So Dean, do you promise to share your life with Katie, to love, support and comfort her, whatever the future may bring?
I do.
And Katie, do you promise to share your life with Dean, to love, support and comfort him, whatever the future may bring?
I do.
I, Dean Stephen Simmons, take you, Katie Louise Pilwing, to be my wedded wife.
I give you this ring as a token of my love. I promise to care for you above all others, to give you my love, friendship and support, and to respect, comfort and cherish you throughout our lives together.
Dean and Katie, you are each other's first consideration, first priority and first responsibility. Never take each other for granted. Never be too old to show affection. Take pride in each other's achievements and support and encourage each other. Build on your mutual admiration and respect for one another. Laugh often and love one another always. Remember that love is the comfort and companionship that only two people who are the greatest of friends can truly enjoy.
Just want to say a few words about my new son-in-law, Dean. All those years ago, who would have thought you would be marrying my lovely daughters all these years later? But me and Anita could not have picked a better man to look after Katie.
After their travelling experiences, the world brought them together and the stars aligned. So let's all stand up and raise a glass to Mr. and Mrs. Simmons and wish them a lifetime of love and happiness. Mr. and Mrs. Simmons.
I'd like actually to start with thank you to my new father-in-law, Papa John, and big brother Tony as well. You know, not only for a great speech, but importantly, welcome me into your family. I'll make a promise to you all now to look after Katie, take good care of her, always put her first. I'll always make her coffee in bed on a Sunday and never take her for granted. After all, I was incomplete before I met Katie. I would like you to all please join me in raising a glass to my wife, Mrs. Simmons.